Hello everyone, Sudeep here and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve your important files from broken laptop. If your laptop stops working suddenly and you have some important files remaining in there, then you don't have to worry. There is a way we can access all those files. So same thing happened to me last week. My whole computer stopped working suddenly, so I had a few important files in there. So now I'm gonna retrieve all those files. So to retrieve the important files from broken laptop, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a working laptop, and this SATA to USB 3 in driver enclosure box. This one you can order online. It's pretty cheap to buy. I just bought it for $9 from eBay. So it comes with a cable. This cable is used to connect the hard disk to the working laptop. Now let me show you how to retrieve the files from the broken laptop. So get the Phillips screwdriver and get your broken laptop. Now you just open your laptop to access this hard drive from your laptop. This is the hard drive. So in my case, I don't need this laptop anymore, so I just damaged it when I opened the laptops. But if you don't want to damage your laptop, then there is a specific way you can open the cover without damaging the laptop. If you don't know how, then you can check online. There is a lot of videos showing how to open the laptop without damaging the laptop. So once you open your laptop and access the hard drive on your broken laptop, just unscrew those four screws present on the hard drive, and my one is already unscrewed. Just use Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the hard drive. Once you unscrew it, just remove it from the laptop. Once you remove, you can see there are 4 more little screws present in the hard drive. Just open them as well using the Phillips screwdriver. Just unscrew them. So once you unscrew it, you can remove this cover from the hard drive. The purpose of removing this cover is to fit this hard drive into SATA to USB 3 driver enclosure box. Once you remove the cover, just get your hard drive and insert it into the driver enclosure box. Make sure it goes the right way, otherwise you might damage the port. So I think it should go like this. So once you hear the click noise, then it's inserted properly. So once you insert it, just close the cover. So once you put the cover, just remove your broken laptop and get your working laptop in front of you, and here just use this cable to connect the hard drive into your working laptop. So there is this side of the cable goes into here on your hard drive. Once you insert it in there, take this port and connect to your laptop like this. Once you do that, you can see a light blinking on your hard disk. Once you see this light blinking here, you can see your laptop detect the hard drive. Once your laptop detect the hard drive, go to files, and on files go to this PC. Here you can see Windows E, New Volume F, and Lenovo G. That's all from my old laptop. So I can just click into them, and here you can see the folders from the old laptop. So just create a new folder on your working laptop. Say like RETRIEVED retrieved folders, and you can go there, consider all. You can just copy them and paste into your laptop. Okay, and on same thing, and there's one more thing I need to copy paste. Let's go there. I'm gonna go to this PC again, and this time I'm gonna go to new volume, F option, and then there are lots of files which are very important to me, so I just Control O, Control C, and I just copy it to, sorry, it's still copying here. And so once that will take a few times because it's a large file. Okay, that's done. I'll just create one more folder, just name anything, and I'm gonna paste all those new files into there as well. And that's it, guys. That's how you retrieve the important files from your broken laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video.